Hello viewers, today we are talk about Hans Unger. Please like and subscribe this channel and share this video. Hans Unger, 1872 to 1936, was a German painter and graphic artist celebrated for his contribution to the Symbolist and Art Nouveau movement, known for his delicate color palette and detailed dreamlike composition. Unger's work often explored themes of mythology, nature, and emotion. His artistry resonated deeply with the cultural movements of his time, blending traditional techniques with innovative design. Early life and education. Born in Germany, Hans Unger showed an early interest in art and design. He studied at the Academy of Fine Arts in Munich, where he developed his foundational skills in paintings and graphic arts. His studies exposed him to the burgeoning Art Nouveau style, which emphasized organic form, following lines, and decorative elegance. Unger's early works often depicted classical subjects, blending Renaissance influences with his unique vision. He was inspired by mythological themes and found beauty in interpreting stories from ancient Greek and Roman tradition. By the early 20th century, Unger gained recognition for his contribution to stained glass design and poster art. His graphic work, particularly posters, become widely appreciated for their bold colors, symmetrical layout, and striking visual appeal. He combined practical functionality with aesthetic beauty, making his posters popular in both advertising and artistic circle. In his painting, Unger's embraced symbolism, a movement that sought to convey emotional or spiritual experiences through evocative imagery. His canvas often featured allegorical figures, mystical landscapes, and symbolic motifs that reflected his fascination with deeper meanings. He used soft, harmonious colors and meticulous detail to create composition that felt both serene and thought provoking. Major works and achievements. One of Unger's most notable works is his contribution to stained glass design, where he collaborated with architects and designers to create intricate, luminous windows for churches and public buildings. His poster created for cultural events, exhibition, and theater productions remain iconic example of at new design. In addition to his visual art, Unger was a skilled teacher and mentor, influencing a new generation of artists who admired his innovative techniques and artistic philosophy. Later years and legacy. Hans Unger's career flourished during the vibrant cultural period of the early 20th century, but it was cut short when he passed away in 1936. Despite his relatively short life, Unger left a lasting legacy in the world of art. His work continued to inspire artists and designers, and his contribution to symbolism and art even remain celebrated today. Collectors and art enthusiasts value Anger's pieces for their intricate designs and emotional depth. His posters, in particular, are highly sought after, representing a golden era of artistic expression in Europe. Third is dedication to beauty and craftsmanship. Hans Unger secured his place as a permanent figure in the history of modern art. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and share my video.